Hello viewers, welcome back to MYINFOMASTER. In this video, I will tell you general knowledge questions and answers of 8th class students. This video is a good way of knowledge for 8th class students. So let's start our question series. Question number 1. Which animal never drinks water in its entire life? The answer is Kangaroo. Question number 2. What are Java, Perl and Fortran? The answer is computer programming languages. Question number 3. What elements are the most common in the human body? The answer is oxygen, carbon and hydrogen. Question number 4. Who was the first female Indian astronaut? The answer is Kalpana Chawla. Question number 5. ISRO stands for? The answer is ISRO stands for Indian Space Research Organization. Question number 6. When the Kargil War between Pakistan and India took place? The answer is between May and July 1999. Question number 7. What is the full form of FIFA? The answer is Federation International, the Football Association. Question number 8. Which game is the oldest sports game in the world? The answer is archery game. Question number 9. What is the national sport of Tajikistan? The answer is wrestling. Question number 10. What is the full form of DNS? The answer is Domain Name System. Question number 11. What is an error of computer is called? The answer is bug. Question number 12. What country is the automobile manufacturer Nissan from? The answer is Japan. Question number 13. Hydrogen peroxide is the powerful agent of? The answer is oxidizing. Question number 14. What planet does the moon Titan orbits? The answer is Saturn. Question number 15. When did the United States of America gain independence from the Britain? The answer is July 4, 1776. Question number 16. What is the largest lake by area in America? The answer is Lake Victoria. Question number 17. What is the total number of characters in Hindi alphabet? Your answer is 52 alphabet. Question number 18. Who built the Red Fort in Delhi? Your answer is Shah Jahan. Question number 19. Which type of lens used in camera? The answer is convex lens. Question number 20. What is the full form of DTP? The answer is desktop publishing. Question number 21. On what date is the National Army Day celebrated? The answer is 15 January. Question number 22. Rockets works on the principle of? The answer is protection of monuments. Question number 23. What energy used in clock? The answer is potential energy. Question number 24. Who discovered the penicillin? The answer is Alexander Fleming. Question number 25. Who is the author of Broken Wing book? The answer is Sarojini Naidu. I hope viewers you will like my video. If you have any problem from this video, you can ask in comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also like and share my video with your friends. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.